This is Professor Derek Seitz. This video shows how to calculate p-values for hypothesis testing using a chi-squared distribution. The input that you have to enter in blue here is the standardized test statistic, the chi-squared test statistic, which you calculate according to the formula from the textbook, and the degrees of freedom. Enter those two, and the p-values for the left tail test is 1 minus p6. p6 is the p-value for the right tail using this formula and this function from Microsoft Excel. And the two-tailed test is much more complicated because it has a conditional deciding which side things have to go on. You type that in, you'll get the two tails value here for the p-value. And as always, you reject if the p-value is less than or equal to your alpha, whatever that is. So this is a part of what's used in hypothesis testing. In the hypothesis testing sheet itself, this is just a part of it, and everything else is done for you in there, including the test statistic. But if you just want to calculate a p-value, given these inputs, this sheet will do it for you.